tell because their nails are black. So you can't see the veins at all. Oh, okay, there, stop. Okay.
Okay, Dixie.
Well done. Well done. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you. What a good girl.
Doing it with this one for you, very good.
Yeah, I know. Do you have some quick stuff here? I forgot that. I didn't bring that kit with me. That's right. So this one is getting a little heavy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I have another grooming kit at home. I bought some new stuff for today, which is the same as what I have at home, but I didn't.
Just got a nail inside my skin, so I'll get the transfusion there.
Quick stop for you too?
But you'll see, Rocky stopped bleeding by now. He would have stopped
he
a long
said
time
just
ago.
checked on him,
From that
he's
little-
fine.
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Now you doing her wings?
No, we'll let her sit for a few minutes first now that they're bleeding, so.
Come on, Dix. Relax, shake it off. Come on.